This is today's job. We're just replacing a flue on a tin roof. You can see the hat came off there. If you're wondering what the plastic bag is, it's just purely to stop and we're going to replace that and show you how it's done. Okay, this is the new flue. You actually get it made at the manufacturer. It will be made to the pitch of the roof. You'll see that when we put it in. It took about 5 days to make, hence the plastic bag. And we'll get straight to it and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, nice and quickly, we're just going to be undoing all these screws, and I'll do it with one hand. So we're just doing a one-hander here, and that'll show you what we're doing. So we're going to undo all of these up and around, including the ones under the silicone, and then it will just lift out. That's how easy it is. Should have a bit of Flexi duct on there. We'll have to attach that to the new one and tape it up. I'll show you that. Okay, so here you can see the Flexi duct that's attached to it. This will run all the way down to the top of an exhaust fan. So what we're going to do is take that tape off, attach it to the new one, and slide the new one back in. Then we'll probably clean this off beforehand, and then it's just a matter of resealing it. Okay, so there you have him. It's all cleaned off at the back, and that's just sticking through. Now, very important, don't lose that down the inside the roof, because then you got to crawl inside the roof and get it. It just becomes a prick of a job. So if you can, make sure it stays above. Use a bit of tape or whatever you have to, and then grab the other flue and connect it. But if you lose it down the hole, it becomes a really big job. Okay, so he's in now, but as that's a different brand, it's not the exact same brand of flue. You can see down there that the screws have come, that the front of the flange is a little bit shorter, and the back is actually a little bit longer. So what I'll do is the hole that this is dropping into, I'll cut another 20 or so out front so that these will come down over there, over those screws, and you won't have to seal them up. And okay, so it falls beautifully now over the top of them. But if you do that, just be aware that we've got to bend these up with multi-grips. So just grab your multi-grips. All you're doing is putting a little bend up on it. And that is to stop water from blowing up the sheet and over and into that hole. It's a matter of screwing it in and sealing it up. Okay, so there he is, all installed. See, we've really sealed it up at the back, and the reason they've got those ribs cut in it is so that the water doesn't pool there. It will continue to run down. That's why they've been notched the way they have. Okay, you will have seen me seal all the holes underneath. I forgot to do that when I put it in, so I did it afterwards. You can do it before or after. The reason I'm a little bit paranoid about that is because this is a coastal suburb. It's going to get an awful lot of weather. So now what we do, give the little front here, a little tap down, like so. That's just to close that gap a little bit, get the water out of the knot on the screws, and apart from that, you're done. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.